Breeze Wind Story Part. An old windmill stood quietly on the outskirts of a quiet village. The windmill, which used to be large in strong winds, was now swallowed up in silence. None of the villagers approached the windmill, they just passed by. However, a young girl, Lena, was fascinated by the windmill. She went to the windmill every day and admired its beautiful structure. One night, when Rena was staring at the windmill under the starry sky, something strange happened. The wings of the windmill began to shake quietly. "Is anyone there?" Lena called out in surprise. At that moment, a soft light drifted out from the center of the windmill, and a spirit appeared. "His name is Eris." It was the spirit of the wind, and it remained asleep for a long time. "You called me, Lena." "Thank you." Is smiled. "I was resting in the wind here, but your pure heart awakened me." Lena listened excitedly. "Why is the wind sleeping?" This village has been forgotten in the hustle and bustle for a long time. People lost the sound of the wind and closed their minds. By waking up, I want you to bring back the wind to the village and make you feel joy again. Lena made up her mind. "I'll help too. Let's get the village back together." The next morning, Lena and Eris headed to the village. Lena told the villagers about the windmill and suggested borrowing the help of Eris. Even the villagers, who were skeptical at first, gradually changed their eyes from anxiety to hope. Eris gathered the wind and delivered a gentle breeze to the village. The wind shook the flowers, accompanied by the singing of the birds, and enveloped the entire village. The villagers felt the wind and realized that their hearts were getting lighter. After that, the village was filled with apples and flowers, and the laughter of the children began to echo. The wind once again became a part of the lives of the villagers, and they remembered the importance of the wind. Lena, along with Eris, began to sing the wind and spin a new story leading to the future. The spirit of the wind once again continued to fly in the sky of the village as a friend of the wind, and Lena continued to protect her small village forever. And the villagers began to respect and cherish the wind. Every year, we held a festival of the wind, deepened the bond with Eris, and as Rena taught me, the days continued to open our hearts and welcome new wines. The end.